I am Connie Soares-Felix. Welcome to my interactive media page. Here you can see my custom videos and links to my websites, active listings, and my contact information. Service strategy and statistics are the keys to my success. I have lived in Rhode Island most of my life, after immigrating from Portugal when I was a child. I am licensed in the states of Rhode Island and Massachusetts, speak and write Portuguese fluently, and can communicate also in Spanish. I am very passionate when representing my buyers and sellers and always focused to deliver what is in the best interest of my clients. My goal is to make you the most informed seller and buyer out there. I know that the most important part of my job as a real estate professional is communication and negotiation on your behalf. I will guide you through the process every step of the way, creating a personal marketing strategy that will target the local, national, and international marketplace and is far superior to all of our competitors by using my expertise. Results are guaranteed. I look forward to finding all the solutions to your real estate needs. Thank you.